much the estimated gunpowder is pretty much how it would be back then. So yeah, if you
are they the guy over there? Which one are they firing?
That one right there, the big one.
Told us that they were going to.
Right now, they got them searching the cannon to make sure nothing's in the cannon. That's the command I gave him.
Vous pouvez rester là, on est juste en face.
So now he gave him the command to prepare the sponge, and he gave him the command to cover it, so they can get out any sparks from the thing.
Yeah.
They got to keep eye contact and let him know it's sealed, because when he pulls out, there should be a thud. So there should be, so all the air will be pulled out, and it will be wet down there, so the sparks will die and be put out by the water. The next thing is, they're going to give the command to bring the cartridge up. He's going to move the one socket to the other hand, as you see, away from the cartridge, because he's going to walk by that way, and they don't want to have the chance of him accidentally hitting the cartridge with it and making it go off without it being in the cannon, because that's how you kill somebody.
I have a question. That's going to kill everyone.
He puts that, he brings the cartridge to him right there. He's the one that puts it in the cannon. And the guy on this side holding the implement, he's going to ram down the cartridge when he's giving the command. Now the next command, you should recognize, he's going to tell him ram down the cartridge. So now he's going to ram down the cartridge.
What language is it?
French.
Oh, French?
Now he's telling him to prick a hole and put the fuse in and get it ready to fire.
In about how long are they going to do? Like 30 seconds?
And it's about to actually go off. Once you put the fuse in, they're going to go up and aim the cannon and they're firing.
Wait, are they going to like roll the cannon?
No, they're going to walk up, talk about it, and then they're going to go back and have fire. Now, pay attention, because when you hear this position of combat, they're about to fire, so cover your ears.
Like right now, should we trouble?
Alright, cover your ears, they're about to fire. Now he fires. It's easier if you're behind the cannon.